sometimes the axis parameters available from the graphical parameters par are not sufficient. For example, if you want the x-axis and the y-axis to look completely different from each other. And in this case, you may instead want to design separate axes using the axis command. Here I'll show you how to make axes using the axis commands, and I don't think it is necessary to learn this by heart, but it is interesting to see what you can achieve by using the axis command, since this is more and gives you more freedom compared to the parameters available in par. In this example, we plot a simple plot, and since we don't want the standard axes, we suppress them using the argument axis equals false. This results in a plot without axis, obviously. The next thing we do here is to plot a standard y-axis. We simply type axis and 2, because 1 here would give the x-axis and 2 the y-axis, and since we don't provide any other arguments, we get a standard axis. But we would like the x-axis to look a bit odd, so here we provide quite a lot of arguments, and if you're interested, you could look into them yourself and try to change them. But the important ones are side here, making it an x-axis, the at command, which points out where the ticks are to be positioned, and labels, which provides the labels for the ticks. In this example, I also use points and text, which is outside the axis command itself, but situated on the outside of the axis or below the axis, thereby becoming part of the axis. And to achieve this, I used this command, par xpd equals true, and this enables plotting outside the plot area. And after executing this command, I can plot points and text outside the plotting area, in this case below the axis. And the result looks like this. It's not very beautiful, but it shows the capabilities, at least, of the axis command.